students, today we will do the concept rational numbers between any two rational numbers. This is the fourth part of chapter first. Now if you have to take out rational numbers between two rational numbers, then what is the method? I am giving you here one example. Suppose I have taken two numbers, any numbers you can take, any two rational numbers. Suppose I have taken minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now you have to take out the rational number between these two rational numbers. What is the method for that? For that, firstly you need to make denominator equal. Here 5 denominator and here 2. You need to make this denominator equal. For that you have to take the common multiple of 5 and 2. Means you have to take out least common multiple. LCM you need to take out of 5 and 2. It will be 10. Means common multiple means which number will be on 5 table also and 2 table also. That is common multiple. Now common multiple of 5 and 2 will be, we need to take out, likewise we used to take out the common multiple. It will be 10. Then how will you make 10 it? When you will multiply it with 2, and when how will you make 10 here? When you will multiply it with 5. Now see, here 5, then we have multiplied with 2. Here 2 was there, we have multiplied with 5. Now we got the denominator 10. But now condition is this also, when you will multiply with denominator, then you need to multiply with the same number to numerator 2. Here with 5 and here with 2. Here you can multiply sign, you can apply in between also and separate also. Now see, it will be minus 6 upon 10 and it will be 5 upon 10. Now numbers you got minus 6 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. Now your denominators are equal. Now no need to see the denominator, just see minus 6 and 5. Between minus 6 and 5, how many numbers are there? See, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. I can shift it here. 5 upon 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are these many numbers between minus 6 and 5. Denominator you can apply 10 as it is with all numbers. Now you can say between minus 6 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, there are how many rational numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 rational numbers. Now you will say, ma'am, question was there between minus 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. We have to take out the rational number between these two numbers. But here you have told minus 6 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. When you will cancel these 5 and 1, 5 and 5 and 5 to 10. Here 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. You will get the same number. Here minus 3 upon 5 and here 1 upon 2. So you can say there are 10 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. You no need to cancel these. Just this is the same. So in place of writing this, you can write there are 10 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now if question will be given, find out rational, question can be given in any way. Find out the rational numbers between these two numbers. Find out 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. Find out 20 rational numbers between these two numbers. If question will be find out 20 rational numbers, then how will you take it? How you will take out? Now how will you solve this one? Now you have made the common multiple 10. Then you have to make common multiple any greater number. Means greater than 10. If this common multiple of 5 and 2 will be greater, that much rational numbers will increase in between these two rational numbers. Then now you have made common multiple 10. If you will make common multiple 20, because after 10 common multiple is 20 only, because which comes on 5 table also and 2 table also. Means 20 will be divided with 5 and 2. After 10, 20 is only the number. Then you have to make denominator 20. Then if you will solve it, more than 10, near about 20 rational numbers will be between these two rational numbers. This is the one method. Suppose the same example I am giving you. Find out a rational number between minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. If I am saying find out a rational number means एक rational number. Then another method is also there, but this is little length, means it's method. This method is not short method, it is long method, but you should know all methods. Minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 upon 2. If we have to take out a rational number between these two rational numbers, then we can find out likewise also. First rational number, second rational number plus, then divided by 2. After solving, I will show you here. Minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 upon 2. Firstly take the LCM. 10 minus 6 5 upon 2. This is 2. 2 upon 1 you can consider. After that this is minus 1 upon 10. This is 2 upon 1. Now divide. After that divide sign, rational number, then divide sign, then rational number. Now this we can write likewise also. Minus 1 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. I have told you in divide we are changing it in multiply and it is becoming 1 upon 2. Now you can find out minus 1 upon 20. Now we took out a rational number minus 1 upon 20. This is the rational number minus 1 upon 20, which will lie in between these two numbers. So now if you, after that you can find out more rational numbers. Now these two, take these two rational numbers, this plus this upon 2. You can take these two rational numbers, this plus this upon 2. After that any rational number will come between here, one rational number will be here. Then you can find out these two rational number between any rational number. Means this method will be lengthy for you, but if you should know all the methods, that's why I have told you. But that is very easy method which I have told at first. So you can find out many rational numbers between these any two rational numbers with that method. And this method also you should know, that's why I have told you. Okay students, now one worksheet will be provided to you in your app regarding these concepts which we have done today. Tomorrow we will do, or either in our next class, whenever our next class will be, means on Monday and Tuesday, then we will discuss about properties of rational number. After properties of rational number, this chapter will complete, and after that we will start the new chapter. So worksheet you send continuously, because I am receiving very less worksheets of students. So all of you, after watching this video, if you are not understanding any concept, if you are not getting any concept, then you can watch video time and again, and after that you can solve the worksheets which we are providing you. Okay, thank you students.